and I can't wait to get there and see it. And like, there's gonna be beautiful views and scenery and stuff. And going on a train is gonna be cool when I'm speaking quite loud. Yelloo SKiLLZiNATiON. It is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. Came outside to get some nice fresh air. It's still dark outside. I already feel more awake because inside it felt so hot. And now we're just chilling outside, having a little coffee. There's Sylvia. We're all awake. Just having a coffee. Get sort of like waking up and mentally preparing ourselves to be awake and strong and motivated, right?
Oh yeah. Yay!
That was a good try. That was a good yeah.
I tried.
In the morning, yeah. That was a good
At 4 o'clock.
But yeah, I'm just gonna go for a shower now. I'll leave you the keys, and I'll see you in a bit. So, yeah. So I'm at the shower now. Sylvia's almost ready. 4:45. We're literally about to leave the house. I'm quite excited. Sylvia as well. So we can't wait to get there. Show you guys what it looks like. Show you guys the whole trip. Record everything. Give you guys that material to watch. And hopefully we're all gonna have a good time. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Let you know how it all goes. I'll keep you all updated on the way and stuff. And then yeah, it's gonna be amazing. I can't wait. So we finally made it here, and we're with the whole crew now. And now we're walking to get on the train.
VIP.
To the VIP reserve cabin. The trains look amazing. It is a totally different experience, and it's really cool and beautiful around here. They're just sorting out the seats now. It's a bit. There's a lot of people. I've seen loads of different people from loads of different countries. It should be very cool. I'll record on the train as well, and this is where we're getting on, apparently. Yeah. It should be so cool. Finally made it. It's water, it's cold. We got to the top of the dome. Can you stop throwing water, please? Look what she's doing to the bench. Vandalism. Oh, that's so cold, but that's so nice. We got to the top of the dome in the forest. Literally, we're surrounded by like a huge sort of like forest in it, like forest. It's literally in top of a mountain, and there's just like loads of benches, little like places like that, and they have food and drinks, and everyone's chilling. And down there's like a dancing thing, like the traditional dancing thing. I'll show you guys quickly. Like so. See there in the corner right there. Over there. There's some sort of dancing, like traditional dancing and stuff, which is really cool, and the weather is amazing. To be honest, it's a bit too hot because we're so high up, and she's throwing water on me again. I will hit you with a tray. I've got the shield. She's giving me bath. Look, she's wasting water. Water that we paid, and she's wasting it. That's so nice though.
You want a spray on?
No, because that gets sticky. I don't like it.
You don't like that, okay?
But we're having a good time. We're chilling. You know, we're relaxing. In about half an hour from now, we've got a train back, and it's another like the same sort of journey on the way back down. And then after that, I think we're going to go to this place where there's a huge waterfall, but we just have to see how we get there. This is little Raul.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What's
Hello.
your name, mate?
My name is Sam Lisa.
No, it's not. It's Raul.
How do you know?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I don't understand.
Oh my God. No.
So yeah, we're all just chilling, having a good time, and
I'm not having a good time.
Yes, you are, mate.
I know you.
but all is good. And
I
I really hope all of you lot are having a good time as well, and keeping positive about life, man.
Yeah.
She just wants to so wet. So wet? It's wet. It's so cold. The back of my neck. Oh, that's so cooling. It's actually so hot here. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, that's so nice. That's the dancing I was talking about. Now we're making our way back to the train. Little steamy train, and look how cool this is. Look at this little van. So cool. And this is our compartment here. Some sort of caves, the water. That's just cool. So we finished the train ride. We quickly got back, and then we all decided to go to this big waterfall in an area close by. So we literally just quickly jumped in the cars and we just drove here. What's really crazy though is that I came here when I was really little, maybe your age. About 6 years ago, 6 years ago is when I was about 6, I came here, and I still remember the place. I still remember the hotel I stayed in. I still remembered everything, so it's crazy. We're about to go on the I think they're called teleskis, on these little things, these things. High in the from the ground, and we're going up towards the mountain, up in the sky. And then we're gonna go walk about, and then we're gonna go see this amazing waterfall, like I said before. We're on one of them. We're on one of them, and we're going so far up. That's a long ass way. There's Raul there. Hello. Oi! And I'll show you guys the waterfall. The waterfall, I remember it since I was little. This is how crazy this thing is. I remember this place when I was little. I was very little when we came here. It was a long time ago. I was a little poo and I came here. And I was sitting on one of those and I went all the way up there. And we came down the hill actually, to be honest. I remember now. We came down the hill somewhere there, right? Down in the middle of the hill. And then we made a barbecue. And we made a barbecue there, bruh. Let me show you guys. We made a barbecue halfway through the hill. And then I remember we walked through the forest and then me and my family took a photo there, which we still have at home in England. This is so crazy. I never thought I'd come here again, ever. This is mental.
Well, here you are.
Here I am. We are so high, like so high, but not in that sense though. In like high altitude, like that's a mountain.
Amazing.
Like amazingly high.
That's amazing.
Like that's a mountain there, like the top of a mountain. We're here.
We're gonna
Like,
be at the summit soon.
yep. This is mental.
Yep.
Mental.
No wonder it's mental. We're on the mountain.
She doesn't like it because it's a bit too high.
Yeah,
And she's
I don't
scared.
like it.
I like it.
It's gonna be nice. She's gonna love it when she gets to the waterfall.
Next year, we're gonna
Gotta
go on
be
that
worth
mountain.
On that mountain?
That mountain.
But you can't go on that mountain.
Yes, you can.
How? What are you gonna do? You're gonna become a rock climber? Or a skydiver and just skydive down the mountain?
Yeah,
Oh,
from
no,
that to
that's not what you do. There's another way. That's what Tasman said.
Yeah? We're leaving now, but damn, it's beautiful, man. And the video, you won't even be able to tell how good and beautiful it actually looks. You have to come down here and see it with your own eyes. It's just crazy. It's amazing, man. We're climbing back up. We've got like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to jump back on the, what are they called? Teleski? Is it? Yeah. To come down on the teleskis, otherwise we have to walk down for God knows how long, couple of hours. So yeah, we're gonna be in a hurry now. It's harder to climb all the way back up. And we're running out of time. We don't want to run out of time. So we keep on going. We made it. We made it. Hallelujah. We made it to the teleski to go down the whole mountain, man. We was a little bit under pressure, but we was confident that we was gonna do it and we was gonna get back here on time, because if you miss the last one, which is in 5 minutes, then you have to come down, walk it the whole way. So we made it and it's all good for us. We're gonna go on it now and go down it. And happy days. Oh, what a battle. It was a battle. Oh, we got a cat. We got a cat. We got a cat. A cute little kitty.
Cu brânză și lapte.
Da, vrei să te joci, da, tu vrei să te joci și vrei să mă muști, am gândit.
Ah, so cute. Mental. Look at that, man. That's mental. Oh, quickly. Before we go. I don't want Sylvia to see me because she gets scared when I go on the edge. Oh, mental. Wow, what an experience this has been. I'm so happy.
Please, step forward.
It's a hill. You killed my video, thanks.